This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to start Lexus NX300 with key fob step by step. Press and hold the lock button, then press and hold the remote start button if equipped to activate engine start. If using the push button inside, keep your foot on the brake and press the power button once while the fob is inside the cabin to start the engine normally. Begin by standing within the remote start range and confirming the doors are closed and locked. Press the lock button on the Lexus key fob, then press and hold the remote start button until the lights flash and the engine starts. Return to the vehicle, unlock with the fob, enter, and press the brake to switch to normal driving mode and disengage remote start. If the key fob fails to start the NX300 remotely, first replace the fob battery and test again from close range. Look for dashboard warnings like low fuel, open hood, or maintenance alerts that will block remote start. If problems persist, cycle the vehicle power off and on, try a spare fob, and consult the owner manual for settings and limitations specific to your Lexus model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.